Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on our hot water heater. We're going to drain it and clear out basically any sediment that's sitting at the bottom. All right, let's get started. All right, the date of manufacture on this is 2017. I recommend doing this about every 6 months or at least once a year. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we'll turn this hot water heater down and we're going to shut it completely off. So push down. And all the way to off. All right, those inlet water valves, we're gonna keep those on. This way it'll push all the sediment through the hot water heater. The only two items that we're gonna need for today's flush is gonna be a hose and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up this hose to the exterior outlet valve. Make sure you go ahead and tighten that fairly snug. Don't want to strip out the threads. All right, we're going to get our flathead screwdriver here, and we're going to basically make this point right here out towards the outlet valve. And as you can see, we have good water flow. We're going to let this run for about 10-15 minutes. That way it flushes everything out of this hot water heater. All right. Well, we let that drain for about 15-20 minutes. It all depends on the size of your hot water tank. Now what we're going to do is basically reverse everything. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like, a share, and subscribe. And go ahead and tell a friend. They may need to know some of this information. All right, thanks for watching. All right, let's take this cover off here so we can check and see the pilot light. Go ahead and turn the valve on to pilot. Let's press down. All right, we put it in the pilot mode. Press the ignition switch for the pilot light. Look in there. Got some flame. Now we're going to wait about 2 to 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
Then we'll let up on this and turn it to the full position and turn our desired temperature. And we're going to go about setting B, and the water heater kicked on. Let's button everything back up, and we are finished with one of our yearly chores. Again, if you like this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.